Dear friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well. And it's nice to see you all here again. You look very concerned and worried. What happened? Oh, you want to learn R and R Studio, but don't know where to start. My God. And you are new and you are completely new to the programming. Gosh, what do I do? If you're asking yourselves these questions, then you have come to the right place. Because over the series of next videos, we are going to have a gentle introduction on the practice of analyzing the data, visualizing the data, and answering questions with the help of data in the same way as data scientists, data analysts, and researchers would do. So while you are waiting for, let's get started. So before we go and start downloading the R and R Studio, let me clarify a fundamental doubt which you may have in your mind. What exactly is the difference between R and R Studio? So at its simplest, R is like a car's engine and R Studio is like a car's dashboard. More precisely, R is a software language used for computational purpose, and RStudio is called as an integrated development environment. And this integrated development environment provides an interface by adding many convenient features and tools. So just as the way of having access to speedometer and navigation system on the car's dashboard makes driving much simpler, using RStudio's features makes programming R much simpler as well. So this is the fundamental difference between R and RStudio. The fundamental difference between R and RStudio, let me walk you through the steps that one need to follow in downloading the R and RStudio. Let's get rolling. You will first need to download and install both R and RStudio on your computer. So it is important that you install R first and then install RStudio. So as step number 1, I am showing you how to install R. Now, in order to download and install R, you need to type in this URL, https://cloudrproject.org in your web browser. And once you type in this URL, this is the web page that you get. Now, if you are a Windows user, you need to go and click on Download R for Windows, and then click on Base, and then click on Download Link. So this is the download link that you can see. Once you click on the download link, the R will start downloading on your Windows operating system. Coming back to the main page, if you are a Mac OS user, then you go to the Mac OS, download for Mac OS, and after that you need to click on the latest R version. So in this case the latest R version is R 4.2.1. so you click on this URL and the R will start automatically, as you can see, R will start automatically downloading on your OS. Coming back again on the main page, if you are a Linux user, then go and click on Download R for Linux, and then after that you need to choose your distribution. For more information on installing R for your setup, so if you are using Ubuntu, you click on Ubuntu, and this is the description that you get. If you follow these steps, then the R will get installed on your Ubuntu release. Now I'm to the step number 2. The step number 2 is downloading the RStudio. Now in order to download the RStudio, you need to click on https://www.rstudio.com products RStudio download. Once you click on this URL, this is the web page that you get. And if you scroll down, then you will get the list of installers. So this is the list of installers for supported platform. So these many platforms are supported by the RStudio. Now click on the download link corresponding to your operating system and the RStudio will shows, and click on RStudio icon. Once you click on this RStudio icon, the R software will open. So this is how the R software will look like. It's opening. So this is how the RStudio looks like. As you can see on the screen, it has 3 pens. The entire screen is divided into 3 pens. This is called as a console pen. On right hand side top, this is called as an environments pen, and on right hand side bottom, this is called as a files pen. So if you click on files, you will see all the files. And as we go on progressing during the course of these videos, we will see the purpose of each of these pens in details.